Hi traders, Islama here from Nikos Trading Academy, and welcome in the video where I share some trades which are still running and I close very quickly because of course I will make a different summary when I will get more data when I close more trades. So I just for now want to keep you updated, and of course I will do my forecast in this video for Forex. Because we get last week some nice moves, so maybe we'll catch opportunities there. But first, like you said, some pairs, some trades which were closed, which are still running. Gold example is a bounce trade. Is not a classic approach like I always do, and where I share my results with you with the swing trading approach. I use 3 or 4 simple setups. This is bounce, so it's a little bit different, more aggressive. And if you pay attention, I took short scenario here. Of course, ideally to target weekly 36 EMA because the retracement might happen. But right now, price is sitting on the 36. Goal for now was reached because 36 is the goal. First target, second targets were hit. Right now, we have bonus lot. Ideally, target for now this trend line here. We'll see if price drops or not. And that this trade was taken directly on the top, as you can see, with the stop loss above the top. Price make this hesitation, and I took aggressive trade on the 1 hour time frame. But there was also a classic way to trade a little bit later, not so early like I jumped in here. On the 1 hour chart, we have this setup here. To trade this setup was during the night, but then price retraced a little bit, so you could have taken this. This was the trend line back then, so stop loss would be here, and it will be also profitable trade. Like I said, I took it earlier, so now it's running, but it will be not in my Excel file, okay? Because this is something different strategy which I use. I don't want to complicate the things, so that's why I decided just to follow one simple strategy with easy rule for everyone. Of course, here, if you want to learn more advanced things, you can join my mentorship program. So I can teach you all strategies which I use. Another is CADCHF, also a bounce trade, which is still running. Of course, this trade was taken based on this range. Right now, third lot is locked. It's a bonus lot, so 65 pips profits right now. We will see. Of course, we target that, and then I will see what to do. And now everything is still good. Trend line is holding, 36 is holding. So we will see if price decide to push. Again, bounce trade, not the classic way. EURGBP, this trade was closed, and for bad luck here because it was closed because of the spread during the night. And target was the previous bottom, which basically price, as you can see, reached. Of course, this was breakout of this area here. Between those two lines, there was a breakout. The setup was on the 1 hour chart. First target was hit, and then I cut the stop loss. And as you can see, it was price never hit this area, but it was closed here on this broker. If you have better broker with better spread, it wouldn't be closed. It should be still running, so the second target would be hit. In this case, it's like I think it's a break-even trade because the first target was hit. I didn't close the second target. I traded just stop loss, and we are not in this. And New Zealand dollar, US dollar, losing trade, but not fully losing trade. We didn't get luck on this one. Entry was here, stop loss was below, and I cut stop loss here. And as you can see, it was stopped out here. The idea of this trade was to trade against the main direction to target weekly 36 EMA. So we trade for the possible retracement to this area. Price didn't retrace, completely do something opposite. This was good trade, however, didn't work out because we were trading against. This is always more difficult than trades together with the main direction. And yeah, Didn't work out. Okay, we look for other opportunities, and now price is going down. So guys, as you can see, this is what we have now, and if you are interested to learn more, not only for the classic way, but more aggressive trading, like a bounce trading. Of course, I invite you to visit my one-on-one mentorship site. Below the video, you will get link. When you click it, don't worry to leave the YouTube. Just go to this website, and here you have all details about my mentorship program. If you are more interested about details or how can I help you, you can just schedule free chat with me. Please keep in mind that I always reply. So even if you send me the message and you won't get answer, please check your spam folder, because like I said, I always reply to all messages. So you can send me the message. We can meet. It's completely for free. Below you have all details about the mentoring, and also you will get access to when you get access to the Nikos Trading Academy Advanced Trader Program, to whole materials together with the live trading room. So it's like a bonus if you join my mentorship. So yeah, so that's all about this. And now let's go to my forecast. So first pair is euro dollar, and euro dollar is in the range, as you can see right now. Didn't retrace like we expected, but of course with the range was previously anyway. Price is squeezed between those two levels here right now. It seems it's rejecting that, so if it rejects, it can continue to this support or even lower. Maybe we'll get continuation of this down move, and price will continue with this drop. As you can see, daily chart struggled to break that level, and we discussed that. Triple bottom is here. This is now the line which was broken. So what I would like to see is possible retracement back to the 36 EMA to look for possible short scenarios. There was aggressive entry on the 1 hour chart, but because it was Friday, I didn't want to jump in. But there was option entry here, stop loss in this case above the 36. You can even put a little bit higher, like 40 pips. First target wouldn't be hit, so now you have to wait. I prefer to get right now 4 hour chart retracement and then look for short scenarios. And goal will be this zone. If you won't get 4 hour chart retracement, but price will continue to move down on the 1 hour chart, of course you can always try to catch the trades there on the lower time frames. This is your line for now. So new lower low, lower high, bounce on the line, 36 EMA. Short scenarios are of course welcome. GBP Aussie, it went up last week quite fast. As you can see, we have very strong candle right now. If we zoom out, there is still area to go higher for this pair here, so this might continue another 500 pips. For now, it looks very strong on the weekly chart. I have also this. There is also trend line. Of course, we had this long weekly 1 to 3, but price didn't go immediately. It played around for a while. As you can see, we didn't get momentum here. Price just stopped for a while, and now it just went up very fast, reached quickly this area of the resistance. We have also this trend line. Previously, we had this area of zone of this price stuck between this level and this level, those two lines. And then after breakout, of course, we could try to catch the entries, but there was no setup, unfortunately. Price went very fast. As you can see, no 4 hour chart scenarios, only some late 1 hour chart entries. 1 hour chart early entry here, 55 pip stop loss, or here 70 pip stop loss, but I couldn't catch it. I hope to get 4 hour chart retracement. Didn't happen because I don't like to take late entries, but if you like, it was completely good to take those trades. Now price reached resistance, so there are two things what we can do. or price will won't break it now. Yes, no continuation, but will react. So if we have reaction, we can expect for price to make retracement to the 36 to the trend line. From this area, we can still look for buy scenarios, target this, and then next levels if price decide to break. So this is option number one if you trade with the main direction. Option number two is to look for retracements and still try to look for buys to target this, of course, if happens. We also have this 4-hour chart trend line here. So this is another option in if we want to trade with the main move. And because price reached the previous stop more aggressively, what we can do is to look for short scenarios to target the 4-hour chart 36 EMA or trend line. But of course, this will be aggressive. How we can do it? As you can see, 1-hour chart right now stopped. So what you can look for is to just like let's say lower high around this zone, and you can look for short scenarios. This will be first sign of the weakness here on the 1-hour chart with the EMA crossovers. Ideally, short scenarios target 4-hour chart 36 or daily 36 EMA. So this is what you can do on the GBPAUD. GBPCAD, similar situation. There is also room to go higher, even more than on GBPAUD. As you can see, we are here and potential is up here. Now, price it looks like a range on the weekly chart. As you can see, price reached this previous stop support zone, so it's like in the range. Very strong candle. The question is if it breaks and continue or rejects again. If it continues to go up, the last stop is up here, and where we have another level might be here on the GBPCAD. Okay, so this is the next zone where price might to follow if we have continuation. If we go to daily chart, as you can see, a little bit stop right now, so it will be similar situation to the GBPAUD. Or we wait for retracements to this level, and then we look for buys to target resistance and the next one. Or we look for our chart. Unfortunately, here we cannot, because right now price retrace and is going up, so it's a little bit different. So we need to get bigger retracement. Or like on the GBPAUD, we can look for short bounce entries on this level to target that, but I would wait for breakout of this 4-hour chart trend line here. And so I will wait for price to play around, and after breakout of this, I will be looking to sell this to target this zone. Of course, if price breaks this, it will create new higher high, higher low. Then you can still look for buy scenarios as a late entries on the 4-hour chart. Right now, 1-hour chart is in the smaller range, so I wouldn't try to catch anything here. I would get confirmation from the higher time frames, then decide what to do next. Okay. USD Swiss franc. Oh, this is the trade which I forget to mention in my at the beginning of the video where I summarized the trades. This trade was also closed. Resistance, support, big range. I took short scenario here on the 4-hour chart. First target, second target were hit. Bonus lot was kicked out because of this retracement. This was the trade. Okay, entry, stop loss, first target, second target. Bonus lot was stopped out here. And now it's pushing up. Okay, so another trade which I forget about. And now what we have this resistance. As you can see, price is forming for us long weekly 1 to 3. So maybe before that we'll get another up move to retest again the resistance. We will see. Because this looks like a range, so the idea was that price will of course drop to this zone. Right now it's not moving down, it's trying to push up. Of course, we have this trend line here, so it will be interesting to see what price will do with that, because if it still might create for us daily short 1 to 3, retest this zone, and if creates that, then I will try to look again for sells. But if price breaks this, it's possible that we will get continuation, maybe to this, maybe a little bit lower to that level. We will see. So if we go to 4-hour chart, right now this trend line on the 4-hour chart is tricky, but I will just leave it as it is right now, and I will be waiting for price to break those two levels. So if I get breakout, then I will be looking for the retracement, look for buys, target this. But if we have, let's say, stop here and then false breakout and price starts to push down, we can again look for short scenarios and then try to aim goals from the weekly perspective. And the last is USD yen. USD yen right now stopped on this area of support, broke 36 CMA, so it seems that it might fall down, especially that monthly chart start to showing some weakness, like a lower high. So it might really continue to drop, maybe even to this bottom. Right now we have this stop on this weekly support, so or we'll get smaller reactions or bigger reactions, or now we can draw this line. So again, like you said, it might go here, yes, but the question is, if we get this drop or price will play around, then we'll get this, or maybe price will bounce and will play around here and then maybe push down. We never know. That's why we do top-down approach, to get some scenarios to understand what price might do create. But of course we cannot predict, and we don't know what price will do. Right now we have this area of support, as you can see, and it's visible. So there are two things what we can do right now, or we look for retracements to look for daily short 1 to 3, and then we will be looking to sell to target this support zone. After breakout of this, long-term target is down here. In between, we also have support here. We also have trend line, which can support our daily short 1 to 3. Okay, so this is option number 1. And option number 2 is to try to trade against this whole move to target daily 36 CMA. And if, let's say, this is just bounce on that, and maybe price will try to push up again, like here, yes, it will get straightforward move back to this zone, especially that this line is confirmed for me, because we have at least those 3 touches. So this also might be a situation price will immediately go up, so you can try to trade against the main direction. Now price, you see, is making those higher lows, yes, on the 4-hour chart. It's also making higher highs right now. So on the 1-hour chart, unfortunately, everything happened on the Friday. So basically, I didn't get good setups here to jump in. I just wanted to see a bigger retracement. So I'm not sure if I enter longs, but if you like to be more aggressive, longs are okay. But keep in mind that your target, before of course price reach that, is the 36 CMA and this trend. So you have to calculate if it's worth to try. Probably on the 4-hour chart it might be too late, but maybe if we get like a 4-hour chart, long 1 to 3, then 15-minute combinations, lower time frames to target this is okay. Another option is to wait for some confirmation on the 1-hour chart. Let's say if price play around here, because we still have market open, we don't know if price open here or will push down. If push down, yes, if we get drop, then you can still look for buy scenarios, or on the 1-hour chart or on the 5-minute intraday. If price, let's say, continue, then you can look for another setup on the 1-hour chart, combinations with the lower time frames, or like you said, bigger retracement on the 4-hour chart, and then 15-minute entries. So this is what we have here. Okay. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this. And again, I would like to invite you to visit my one-on-one mentorship website. If you have any questions about the trading, about how you can improve, about your mindset, just contact me here. I always reply to all emails, so keep in mind about that. So check your spam folder also. Below, of course, you will find my offer with examples and with the prices. Of course, keep in mind that all is adjusted to your needs. This is just the example of what how I organize my mentorship. Below, you can also get access to my to the swing trading strategy, which I present those results exactly from the strategy which you can find here. And about my mentorship, it's split to three major parts: technical part, planning part, while with the mindset part. This is where I put a lot of effort to help you to understand the role of the mindset, why this is a key element to achieve long-term success, etc. Of course, I will show you how to work with your emotions, how to find your limiting beliefs. This is very easy technique, which I also personally use on my daily basis. And of course, I will teach you all strategies which I know, together with the trading plan and trading journal. So you will be fully prepared to trade by your own. And if you apply all those three steps in your trading, I really believe that from losing, you can go to break even, and then of course you can start to grow your account slowly, and then quite fast. Okay, so this is how I designed this, and I really believe in that process. So if you have any questions, of course, just let me know. Below you have some short videos about my mentorship program, and of course, if you join my mentoring, you will also get access to the Advanced Trader program from Nikos Trading Academy, where you find all videos about the all strategies with the classic approach, with the Renko approach, and you will also get access to my live trading room. So if you are interested, or even not, if you have any questions about trading, feel free to just let me know. We will schedule a quick chat, which is completely for free, and of course, I will try to do my best to answer all your questions and doubts. Okay, so guys, wish you all great Sunday, and we hear soon. Bye.